Alright, I'm gonna go good. Welcome back. Oh, God. So good. So, hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today, I'm gonna see what my current car can stand on different terrain. No, I just cracked open a fortune cookie. The respect and help of influential people will soon be yours. Nice fortune. Put in my gift bag. Ah, damn it! I forgot. I locked the door. I don't know who's doing that, but oh, whatever. So I did that, alright? I couldn't help myself. So we're gonna start with ice. Oh! No, I did not mean to open that. Sorry, guys. So this is my current car. What can it withstand on? The drinks would have been frozen by now. Grill, Santorini. Alright, mud. Alright, we're doing pretty good. Alright, grass terrain. What about rocks? Oh my god, it actually made it through. I did not expect that to get through. Right, sand. Okay. We can't go in water because obviously we'll drown, but let's at least go on the stage. We can't go on that one. But we'll just skip that round because that one's boring, but let's see if we could go up on ice. We obviously can't go up there. Oh well. Asphalt. How far can we get on ice though? Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 30 degrees about 30 degrees. Right. How much on asphalt? This car is also front wheel drive too. Come on, stay on the road. I think your pal is just a bad driver here. Sorry, guys. Alright, stone. Not the rocks. the stone, like the pavement. Yeah, like what roads are regularly made out of nowadays. Let's see how far I can get. 1, 2, 4, 5. Yeah, about the same as asphalt actually. But asphalt's actually extra grippy. Sounds like a freaking dog name. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. See if we can actually make it. We aren't gonna make it, so we're just gonna have to go. Man, these roads are horrible. Not even 20 degrees. Come on. Alright, grass. See if we can even climb on grass. Degrees. Alright. Sand. How much? Accurately, that would have been 40 degrees if I wouldn't have had the momentum. And then the mud, which is oddly satisfying to look at, even though it looks like that there once was a truck on it. Yeah, there once was a truck on it. You can tell by the mud. Uh, 40, roughly, yeah, it's 30. Alright, last one. Now we're moving on to suspension. Alright. Crimps bumps and body. Which I want to see true. Alright, up here now. Roughly around 50 degrees. Yay. Oh, fuck this. That's it. Oh, it's suspension now. This ain't taking it so well. Alright, that was horrible. Time for onto the smoother ones. Look at that. The person side here is gonna throw up pretty soon. Oh, kept on quitting to my previous video that I just made. Alright, here we go. Using the suspension one. Oh, this one's taking it a bit better. Look at that, it's slowing down a little. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. It's front wheel drive, it's so bad on this. Look at that. This one's smooth. Cobblestone. Oh no, I missed a whole one. Oh, I gotta go back. Alright, so that cleared it actually pretty smoothly. You all guys doing okay in the back? These are about to fall on the floor, buddy. Hopefully you guys are okay in the back because we're about to do some insane driving. We're about to go for a ride! Alright, here we go. They're probably screaming and freaking out in the back right now. Yo! It's okay, kids. That one here is a very trained driver. Oh wow. The kids literally had their hearts drop. They literally accepted their fate there for a second. Yep, they literally accepted their fate there for a second. Oh! 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 No! Oh, the pit of death. Hello. Anyways, what about some of the other sky ramps? Look, how about we just kick into them? Hold on, kids, in the back. That was just your imagination. We just spawned it down here. Now we're actually going back. I bet their hearts dropped when they saw that in their imagination. Look, the car's fine. But this is real, though. The kids are crying in the back seat. Kids, your dad was a very skilled driver. Ha ha ha. No. Can I fit under this? This little nudge I see right here. Now it's a flathead. Flathead. Get it? Will it climb? Oh, we're getting a bit nervous about that one. No! Come on, no. Save it. Come on, we're using the cheat. Gotta stop me, I'm using the cheat. Come on, dude, all the fucking time. No! That actually kind of frustrated me. Look. So... that little side right there, that could have weighted down. Wow, we need to try some things. Oh my god, dude. You gotta be kidding me. This is horrible. Come on, get up there. We're going to the top of the world, come on. Well, I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe if you can. Hope you have a good rest of your blessing day. Goodbye. Peace out. Toodles.